Hello and welcome to the exact same day that I ended the last vlog in. I'm wearing something different, so that kind of changes it up a little bit. Anyway, I actually just finished editing that video last week's. Or will this go up Thursday? Anyway, the previous vlog, just finished editing it. Fantastic. And now I want to pack up the packages. I mean, last vlog we did most of the work on packing it, but I need to put some paper in here. We gotta tape them up. I wrote out all my cards. Look how cute they are. With a little heart. With a little heart. What? Alright. I can take this out and then we will strip some paper. Alright, and then, whoa, excuse me, and then we'll put it in nice and snug, and then we'll use this for the top. Cards in there, so now we can actually take this one up. This is the box I made. So, okay, I didn't like fully make it, but I did take a box that was like shorter. It was probably like this and like wider. And there's tutorials on the internet somewhere, on YouTube probably, on how you can take like a box that's too short and like cut it to make it longer and more narrow, which has saved me like a few times now. I discovered it recently and I've used it in the last couple of drafts. So highly recommend doing that, especially if you have such odd shaped things like I do. It's so expensive to buy like weird shaped boxes. Lady, you're gonna have a wild time opening this. Ta-da! Wow. Pretty awesome for a box that was too small and too wide, and now it fits it. Literally, this box is like made for this rug. Okay, so these have paper on the bottom, their cards, and the paper on the top. So now we can close it up. Thankfully, all the like rugs and boxes this round are like different sizes, so I kind of know what's what. I mean, this one's going across the ocean, you know what I mean? So like, gotta make sure it's good. Oh my god. Alright, do I have to cut this one open? Yes. Is that absolutely insane? Yes. But it's my own fault. So I'm gonna cut it open carefully, and none of you are gonna freaking say a single word about it besides... Good job. I literally wrote it on the card and everything. How could I have freaking forgotten? Can you imagine if I forgot this? Oh my god. Only one of you knows what I'm talking about. Alright. It has been fixed. Everything's fine. Only one of you knows what I'm talking about. And that's fine too. Alright, we're good to go. Moving on from this one. This one should be ready to be taped up. I'm sure you're thinking like, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I like to put a piece of tape like this on the corners that have like the little openings, and then I'll fold down the sides so that it looks like that. So the sides are taped down, and then I'll fold the sides in. Both sides first. So now we're looking like that. And then I fold down this big piece, and now these corners that have like little tiny holes are closed. And call me crazy, but that makes me feel better. Ta-da! Wow. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm getting ready for stream. It's like 1:30 right now. What do you want me to tell you? I don't know. Look at this though. Do you see? We have another camera set up, And whoa, it is set up behind the frame so that we can see like the backside. Here's what it all looks like back here. It's not very exciting. So I'm just using my little webcam, and then we have a light back here so we can see this mysterious rug. I have no idea what it's called, right? Get tufted from the back. Exciting. It was actually like my eyes are up here. It was actually ultra easy to set up. It kind of just like did itself. So that was nice. Also, all of my packages are packed up, taped up, safe and sound, labels printed, and I have them scheduled to pick up tomorrow, which I'm nervous about because I chose knock on door / ring doorbell. So they're gonna knock on the door and I have to bring out all the boxes, and I'm gonna have to talk to somebody. If you've ever sent something internationally, at the post office they have these like clear envelope type things that they stick all of the like paperwork for your package into so that they can like get into all of the paperwork. So I bought some of those as well because it obviously like not only printed out the shipping label, but it printed out like several copies. You know, if you've shipped internationally, you know what I'm talking about. It has like several copies of the info that you need to ship internationally, whatever. But I didn't want to stick them all on the box because I actually have no idea if they need them loose. Do you know what I mean? Like, are they going to take one box? I'm assuming they need to like access it and they might get like taken or something. I don't know, whatever. So I got those like clear envelope things. It's basically a Ziploc bag, but sticky. But yeah, other than that, I think everything's going to go fine. What else did I want to tell you? I'm not really sure. I feel like there was something. There's always something. I don't know. I'll probably see you tomorrow or something. I'm waiting for UPS to come knock on my door and ask for my packages. Ugh. It's fine. Anyway, look at this. Wow, welcome back. Wasn't that incredible? I finished tufting the mysterious, faceless ghost person thing, and I'm in love with it. I think it's pretty perfect. It's pretty perfect. I can't wait for the carving part because the teeth, some parts obviously are like kind of blobbish right now, so when we carve, I'll be able to carve like the details of the different teeth, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's done. So progress on the frame. It's going pretty good. First of all, before I continue, if you were at stream yesterday on Wednesday, oh my god. I just feel like I keep hearing trucks coming by. If you were at stream on Wednesday, I'm really sorry about it. I know it's not my fault. There's something embarrassing about your stream being like unstable for internet reasons. I mean, for any reason for me, honestly, but like the internet thing is like I can't do anything about it. But it was weird that our Monday stream was okay. So who knows? Actually, I do know a little something. I was gonna try to like report something because we were having issues even today. Obviously, I wasn't streaming today, so I have no idea what my like upload speed would have been, but our internet just like kept going down and being very slow. So I was like, how does report? And it popped up and said that there was a technician going around our neighborhood today, and I did see them. So who knows if our problem is fixed? I don't think our internet has gone down since I saw them like doing stuff across the street, but hopefully Friday will be fine. And if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I can't really think of that. I can't think about that outcome right now because it's not real. It's not a real outcome at this point in time. I'm conserving a lot of my energy today. I did finish tufting this guy, but other than that, I think I'm gonna edit this video in a little bit, and I'm conserving a lot of my energy for when UPS knocks on the door and asks for my packages. I know I can leave them outside, but I'm not going to be leaving boxes that contain like $300 to $400 rugs inside them outside. I'm just not doing that. I would rather have an awkward interaction with a UPS person. And my window of time is now. Well, it's between now and 6 p.m., which is a 6-hour window, but you know, false alarm. It was somebody across the street, and I have one international package, and I'm hoping that I like did everything right. I had to look up the harmonized number that tells the international shipping people like what category my item is in, and that determines how much like duties people pay. And I did some research. I mean, there's like a little guide on Pirate Ship to help you find what would best suit your stuff. But I made a little sticky to remember the number for next time. But I chose the one that was rugs or carpets, hand hooked, that is, in which the tufts were inserted by hand or by means of a hand tool. If that doesn't describe exactly my thing, these rugs, then I don't know what does. And yeah, I wrote down that whole little description for myself, just in case. Anyways, I think I'm going to end this video here. I have no idea what happened in this video, because yesterday just like wiped my memory of anything that I've been doing. I'm going to try to get this video up today. Hopefully you're watching this today, like Thursday, and it'll be a magical double upload week. Wish me luck with UPS. I'm sure it's gonna go perfectly fine. Anyway, I usually stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. I'm hoping that tomorrow will be fine. It will be. It will be fine. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman, besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. You can follow me. Oh my god. I love y'all. It's an absolute death. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.